Hey guys, and welcome back to Simply Nail Art, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful lilac flower nail design, so let's get into it. Now, in order to make this manicure long lasting, I'm going to begin by buffing each of my nails, and then I'm going to wipe them down with acetone. That way the nail polish will bind better to the nail. This is pretty necessary for a regular nail design or a gel nail design. Next up, I'm applying a base coat which will protect my nails but also help the nail polish to bind better. Next up, I'm applying 2 coats of this light purple polish from Pure Ice. You do want to have 2 coats at least, but you don't really want to have more than 3 to 4. This will help the nail polish to last longer as well. Now I'm going to take this light green and a detail brush, and I'm going to begin by doing the stems of the lilac. I did do a couple of coats of the green because it wasn't as opaque as I was hoping, but that's alright. Now I'm taking a dark purple and a detail brush, and I'm going to begin the flowers. So for each flower I'm doing a C shape, and I'm trying to make them all about the same size. For my thumb, at first I did make them a little smaller as I went, but I did go in and fix it to make them more the same size. As you can see, I'm just going to follow that same method for each one of my nails. I did put the stems in a different spot on each nail just to give more contrast to the design. And now to finish up, I'm going to seal that all in with a quick dry top coat. And now for some finishing touches, I'm just going to go in with a small brush dipped in acetone, and I'm going to clean up the edges of my nails. And lastly, once my nails are dry, I'm going to go in with some jojoba oil to add some moisture back to my cuticles. Well, that is all guys. Thanks for watching. To see more videos like this, subscribe. Also leave a like if you like this video, and comment down below any designs you want to see me do in the future. Thanks. Bye.